Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, so today I'm trying to go to city of Teguise. It's like an old Spanish colonial city. I only have 1 hour to get to this bus station, and there's no buses leading to this bus station, so I have to walk there like 2 or 3 kilometers. So let's see if I make it in 1 hour. Because if I don't make it, the next bus is at 12 p.m. So, and the first one is at 8, and in between nothing. So let's see if I can make it. Update, guys. Link scooters, you know, they're like electric scooters that you can borrow with an application. Well, if you don't put on money, or if their battery is low, you cannot use it like without power, so it breaks automatically. So running to the bus station, it is for me like I'm on halfway there. I don't even want to look how many minutes are left. I'll just try to walk fastly there and then see if I make it. No, if I make it, good. If not, I'll find a shop or something and drink beers until 12 o'clock, until the next bus comes. I don't know what else to do. So yeah, stay tuned. So today God is playing tricks on me for the second time. I made it here in time, but there was one bus at 7:30. And I just watched it go by me. So I missed it for like 30 seconds. Yeah. And now I have to wait here for half an hour for the other bus, but I'm not really sure if it goes from this side of the street or the other side of the street, so we'll see in 20 minutes. I tried to speak to the driver, but they do not know anything. Spanish people, I don't know why. They're not helpful. So yeah, let's see if I get to this city or not. Who knows? So far, God or Matrix or whatever you call it is playing tricks on me. It's his day to make fun of me. Yeah, so let's see what happens today. I made it to Teguise, thank God. The bus was on the right side. It takes about 15 minutes to get here to this small but beautiful town. There's a small park here with palm trees. I don't know what that building is, but it's like Spanish colonial building with with big doors for giants. So giants lived here. And here, I don't know, some governmental building, park, some churchy building, monastery, I don't know what. But there's a cross there, and the church is behind there, just under the palm tree, you see. So that is where we will go. Some bodegas, trattorias, restaurants. Let's check out what is here, what is hidden here. Small streets. Their local flag, Teguisean flag. Bar, cafeteria, La Tajona. Don't know that word, Tajona. Some statue. Maybe from that artist, famous one. It says Dr. Leonardo Perdomo Spinola, escritor y periodista. Some journalist. art historian, something like that. So it's like a small square, small park there. And here is el Departamento Municipal de Diseño Gráfico, Graphical Design. Okay, so let's find the main square. Today I was told here would be the Sunday market. That's why I decided today to come here and to see this show. Let's call it how it looks like. But I read on internet that it will start at 9 o'clock, and we still have like 45 minutes to that. So I don't know, to explore the town of Teguise. Don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Yeah. It's like a ghost town. There are some signs there, so let's see what it says. Nice from this side. See? I almost fell because of this narrow sidewalk. Okay, Playa Famara is straight ahead. I don't think so. There's no seaside there. Okay, Casco Histórico. That's what we want. And there was Convento Santo Domingo. So that was the churchy thing. It was a convent, so convent is where monks live, yeah? Or nuns. One of those. Yeah. So we go to Casco Histórico. Oh, pizzeria. It's so closed. It's still early in the morning, I guess. Yeah, so that way to the center, historical center. Famara. Mercadillo, zona comercial. Yeah, Mercadillo is the thing we are visiting today. It's like marketplace. So, yeah, city of Teguise. Another churchy thing. They have a lot of churchy things here. How did they get up there without stairs? Door in the middle of the wall. Yeah. Door with a hole in the door. The hole in the door. Another nice street. Calle Faina. And there's the church thingy there. Maybe it's the way to the church. Or I should continue straight. There? I thought the church was there. Okay, let's continue straight and then we go up. Maybe I'm going the wrong way now. It's a ghost town. Where's the market? Nice walls. No, that's how they used to reinforce the walls in Middle Ages. Simple houses, a door and a window, one-story house. I like it. It's Spanish colonial architecture. So it really does remind me of South America. Notes, maybe? Who knows? Ah, there's the church. Oh, we're going the right way. Ah, maybe this crosses I see a cross at the end of the street. It's not a churchy thingy building, but it's like, you know, the path of a Christ, maybe that is it. Because there's another church thingy here, another cross, so there cannot be so many convents and churches. So it's just a symbol of the, you know, the Christ that's down the seven, whatever. I'm not Christian, so for those who are, you can do this path of Christ. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Now I get it why it's called the path of Christ, because you're struggling. Ah, nice. And yeah, we go up there, and hopefully we get to this beautiful church here. You could already see it when I visited Costa Teguise. There was a poster with this church, and I said, I have to see it. Because it's like a local, non-touristic place. Well, at least at 7:30 in the morning, there is no tourist here, except the crazy me. Ah, nice doorknob. Is it a cat? Yes, it's a cat. So this was street of Santo Domingo. And another tavern and a little square. Good place to have a beer under the tree, if any shops were open, if there were any shops anyway. And art studio. Yeah. Okay. And probably Virgin Mary there, and some well behind her. Drinkable water maybe, but it's not good to drink water here. It's desalinated water, and Spanish don't drink it. They say you will spend a day at the toilet. This is a nice tree. Yeah, you see, it's not actually Virgin Mary. It's a local village woman holding a water pot. See? And there's a water well of holy water. Let's see what it is. It was something. The palace sits on a stool which Lorenzo Bete Cavera, the chronicle guy that we saw the statues before. Some nobility. There, pause the video and read it for yourself. Come on. But I do like this tree. It's great. And the statue. Yeah. Let's continue the tour of Teguise. I'm not much of a tourist guide, come on. Nice leaves. So tender. Nice tree. Good tree. Yeah. It seems to be a nice street. It's called Calle Higuera. Calle Higuera. Oh my god, we're walking against the sun again. Let's go into the shade. Into the shade we go. And I ran. The corners are reinforced with these stones in the medieval way, like they reinforced castles or fortresses. It's the same. So it had to be some important building or military building in the days. Well, if you want to know what it was, there's actually a sign here. So pause the video and read it either in Spanish or English. This was the home of that guy, which we saw the statue of. So Casa de Ángel Guerra, Angel Guerra, Ángel Guerra. And here we have some foundation. Oops, some car will hit me now. It's going the other way. La bodeguita del medio is the small bodega wine cellar. Maybe we should check it out. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Wow, there's something on the top of that mountain. Looks like a castle. I don't see because of the sun. Wait, let's see this park. And then we have El Tela, author Jose Aradas Garcia. So, I don't know what it is. It's Andrés Paría, el patrón que su vida tela, no sé. Wow, here we have another building with guns sticking from the top. So I guess that's a municipality. No, it says Taverna Barba Azul. So it's a place to eat. And there's our church. Hiding. Yeah, see. Look, there's our church. Let's see, like this. No, it's not good. The sun is getting in my way. But if it wasn't for the sun, it would be quite cold. So there's something. The sign. We'll check it out, and then we go to this. Yeah, no, it's okay. To this church. That's why we came here. Yeah, nice tree, a nice square. I like it. It's like a very colonial town, little town, and it's very good. Marked everywhere. Each building is a special monument. Let's see. Pause the video and read about it. So, Casa di Eligio. Of the Eligio. If you know who that was, write in the comments below. Oh my god. But it's reinforced on the corner, so again, it had to be somebody important. So this is Plaza Clavijo y Fajardo. Okay, so Haria is there. That's our other cities, because I see in kilometers they right. So yeah, this casa is not so bad from that guy. There you go, the whole casa. And another little square. From one square to another square. Palacio Ico. So another palace. My god, how many nobles lived here? So yeah, let's go see the church maybe. Again, the door in the middle of the wall. Oh, it's a window. Okay, now I get it. But once it was a door. So, zona peatonal means walking zone, I think. I assume. I don't actually understand. So here's some Galleria Gallery. Okay. I like the architecture. Galleries and such things don't really interest me unless there is some really nice paintings. So tapas y vino. Tapas tortos. Well, it's not open yet. It's opening. There's like the menu, but no prices. I'm afraid to go to the places with no prices, because they can just make a price up. Yeah, nice. I told you, like one square goes to another square, goes to another square. It's a village of squares, you see. And here we have, no, we don't have prices. It's just the description. Vinos has prices, the wine has prices, but you don't know if it's for glass or for bottle. €5, it could be each way. So this house was Peña House. So Peña House, they used to sit here and drink wine, as I see. It's really a nice square to relax. Some Aloha Museum of Aloe Vera. Today it opens at 9:30. 1 hour to go. And here we are. A small street somewhere, and our main square with a nice village. Like that. Nice. So it's called Plaza de la Constitución, Via de Teguise, from Constitutional Square. I speak Spanish sometimes. Well, that's the museum of aloe vera, and it's free entry, so maybe we will check it because it's free in an hour or so. Yeah, really nice. I love it. It's like I'm in South America somewhere. So here we have Escuela Municipal de Música, the School of Music. And yeah, another nice, like this. Yeah. Like this. Perfect. Oh, here we have Dragonfly Shop. No idea what that could be. And the main square of I already forgot my Spanish. Nueva Street and cactuses. Nice trees. Nice trees. I don't know where this Mercadillo will take place, but we'll have to sit and wait. Oh yeah, here's another nice view of the church. So we came from that street before, but we didn't go up, so another nice view before the sun will block the view of this beautiful church. Yeah, we should check out if we can get inside also. Maybe it's still closed because it's early morning. Sorry guys, but the only bus was at 7:30 and at 8. And then the next bus would be at 12 noon. But the market closes at 2 o'clock p.m. I think. Casa Museo del Temple. Okay, museum for temple, another cross. And I didn't have breakfast today. I would love to find some shop with food. Let me just show you some lines here. That's the church again. Yeah. The church. And nice fountain. Here are the happy lions. Look, he's smiling. This one's not so happy. His mouth is closed. The fountain where the pigeons can drink the water. And the church. Maybe I should do like this. The church. Carnaval. Mask on the door. Yesterday I saw some people wearing masks, costumes, not masks. People wear masks here all the time. There. You see the door? I think the main Mercadillo will be there. So we'll check it out. I can check it now. There we go. Casa Leon. And a bank. And a statue. And of a drummer. Something. Yeah. Artesania Lanzarote. Some art stuff. And the square. Right, yeah, I guess. But yeah, I like this church. The doors are closed, so I don't know if we can get in. Again, the doors for giants. It proves the giants lived here. Actually, I just think that they did these big doors and churches and buildings just to impress you, know, and to make you feel smaller in front of God, to have that effect. If you think otherwise, write it in the comments, you know. I believe everybody is entitled to their own opinion. There's God. Okay, let's go check the marketplace. I want to find some food. So maybe they have some food in the marketplace. It would be a nice place to sit if it wasn't for the birds shooting there. Okay. So this is Calle Jose Mann. Jose Mann. Sounds German. Jawohl, Herr Flick. Yeah. Some nice murals. There's the Christ. Probably, no, some angels with wings. I don't know. Yeah, this should be marketplace. But I don't see any food. Just some useless stuff. Behind the church. It's also closed. This marketplace is closed. Huh. I hope there isn't an entrance fee for this. Looks like I'm a little bit disappointed if this is the market, Sunday market. I don't know. That seems to be food place. So let's check out the food place. Well, this is like clothes, belts. Big disappointment. But yeah, that's why we are here, not because of the market. So, very lovely little town. I recommend visiting it for an hour or two. It should be okay. Well, let's see. Buenas. ¿Es abierto?
A las 9.
9. Okay, thank you. So, until 9 o'clock. Then we can go in. And there's something on top of that mountain. But I don't know what it is. But let's find some food somewhere. So my food plan didn't go as planned again. Today nothing is going as planned. There was one tavern there open, but who knows? It's a touristic place, so maybe touristic prices. I'm scared of touristic prices. Sangre. Oh my god. So another important house. We can pause and read what it was. Blood Alley. Callejón de la Sangre. Callejón de la Sangre. Sounds dangerous. So the tourists started coming in. So that's one, the only breakfast place that is open at the moment. But everybody just seems to be drinking coffee, and I do not drink coffee. But yeah, it looks like this. The main square. And let's check out one more street. Snack, cafe, San Miguel, like the beer. Or the saint. That's one of the same. Let's see the main square. One more bar open. Well, I didn't find a shop yet. Souvenir shops, art shops. There's a winery. Maybe later we try some wine. And another square. Let me see the products of Lanzarote. That's like overpriced stuff for tourists. Oh. Oh, another little church there. Not so impressive as the other one. So this is Plaza San Francisco. We are in San Francisco. There's a plan of the city, the map. So let's see. We have a lot of casas, patrimonio histórico civil. Oh yeah, I think we did all the casas. Harry is close, but that's another city. Okay, let's just film that church. And come on, there has to be a store in the city where people buy food. There you go, the church. With the big doors again. I will not tell you what that reminds me of. I mean, on top of the door. Oh my god. And they do this graffiti art on church. Yeah, okay. Let's see. For the carnival. Now I know what this guy represents. He wants to scare us. El Diablo. The devil. So you run there. And hide there. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see the statue of some guy. If we are already here, come on. What else can we do? Everything is closed at the moment. The market doesn't open until 9 o'clock. So I guess I don't get my food until 9 o'clock. Wow, nice tree. It's like aloe vera on the tree. If you know how this tree is called, please write it down. So we have this serious guy with mustache. And he is Dr. Alfonso Espinola. Gloria de Canarias de la humanidad. So it's like glory of Canaries and humanity, whole humanity. Espinola, Alfonso Espinola. See, Google it, you'll know. Nice church from this angle. Nice pic, I wanted to say. And then if we go here, the sun already shines, but maybe the palm tree can cancel it out. Yeah. And there we have God in the sky, or as I call it, the sun. No, in ancient religions, such as Egyptian, God was sun. So, yeah. Why is God sun? Because sun gives life to everything in our solar system, yeah? Without sun, there is no life, so of course it's God. It's not an old guy in the sky. Maybe it's artificial intelligence and we are in the matrix. Let's not be too philosophical on empty stomach. So, that's San Francisco, but let's see the name of the church maybe. Such a little town and so many cars. But nice place to see the other church from the middle of the road. If I don't get killed today. Today it's not going as planned. So this is convent. So San Francisco Cognac Sacro Museum. There, pause and read all about it. Yeah, but that is the church we are here for. Nice church. Colonial church. So just want to see if that thing there is a shop or not. Because I would like to get some food and I didn't drink water. I just took a shower and started running to the bus station because I didn't have a lot of time. So let's see this guy. Another Espinola. No, this one doesn't have a mustache, so it's something else. This is Gral, baby General Jose Gervasio Artigas. Prócer Uruguayo. Prócer Uruguayo. Okay, some important politician of the time, I guess, or general. So. That's not a shop, that's not a shop. That's the restaurant next to it. Ah, that's like a public parking for the tourists who come to this village, I guess. Ah, some cactuses. And yeah. Museo Sacro and Iglesia de Notre Dame de Guadalupe. Palacio de Spinola, we saw that, and Casa Museo del Temple, we saw it. Santo Domingo Monist Convent, we saw that too. We saw everything. That's the city. Now we just wait for the market, and I'll show you the market on my empty stomach. They will give me some food by then. Yeah. Until then, signing off. I got inside the marketplace and found my food store and ordered a cheeseburger, hamburguesa con queso, and it was €4. So I'll eat this and I'll show the market. Okay, so let's start looking at the marketplace. Delicious. More food stands. Toys for kids. Mostly Chinese stuff. Some aloe vera creams. Some stones. Oh, there's much more up there. Okay, I guess I should go there first. And there's the nice church. Okay, there's some windmill there. So Sunday market from 9 o'clock in the morning until 2 p.m. in Teguise. I thought it would be more of a local products market, but it's not. There are some fruits and veggies there. I wanted to buy some homemade wine. Oh, look at that fruit stand like that. I don't like wearing a mask in the open. Yeah. Nothing interesting. Okay, the market was a disappointment, but the city is nice to visit. Juice, syrups. I should have it and put here, like pizza for €2. Oh, and they have cakes. I really should eat cake. It's about $2.50 for a piece of cake. Maybe later, maybe. But I shouldn't eat cake. Oh my god. Some creams, honey things, cheeses. About €10 for a piece of cheese. And more vegetables. Yeah, they have one. Let's see how much. ¿Cuánto vale la botella de vino?
Está 9 euros.
9.
Está 8.
8.
Sí. Está
Cuando te enteras, ¿cómo lo dices?
Well,
sí, una vez un pleno.
black wine, red wine is 8 euros, and white wine is 7, I think, if I remember correctly. Church. And some pots to bring home. Jewelry. I'm not interested in jewelry. And let's check it out. Just here. More jewelry and woman stuff and jewelry, creams, woman stuff, and I guess woman stuff, more woman stuff, woman stuff, and woman stuff. Okay. If you're a man, you don't have anything to buy here. Some art stuff. I guess it's nice. And pottery, not interested. Okay, let's check out the rest of the market downstairs. And then I think it's wine o'clock for me to try the local wine. You know, I know the bodegas, that little one, if it's open, that you saw before. I like that one. And then mission impossible to find a bus back to Arrecife. Maybe to visit that Aloha Vera museum. Although I'm not much of a museum guy. But okay. Sometimes it can surprise you. So, clothes for one. Again. Earrings for one. Some Chinese stuff. Woman stuff, food, more woman stuff. Okay, this market is only for women. See, purses. What's this? Glasses. Okay. More jewelry. Disappointed in the market. Mostly overpriced Chinese stuff. Nothing really local from either from aloe vera creams, which is produced probably in a factory and not by hand by some locals. So yeah. That was the Sunday market. I'll try to find the bodeguilla, the little one I saw in the morning, if it's opened. So see you there, hopefully. Everything still seems to be closed around here. So just chilling on a bench. There's the shadow of the church, and the Aloha Vera Museum is also closed. So I'll check out the bodega and find a bus station. This is Casa de la Cultura, Culture House. So I found a bus station. It's just 150 meters from that one on the other side. So the bus on the floor goes that way back to Arrecife. I don't know if I just missed the bus again, because I looked at the schedule and it said it left already 10 minutes ago. And the next one is in 1 hour and a half. But let's see. With my luck today, probably I'll have to wait 1 hour and a half here. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, 1 hour and a half waiting in the sun. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.